is for albatross gliding through the breeze. B is for bluebird singing in the trees. C is for crow, so clever and bright. D is for dove, peaceful in flight. E is for eagle, soaring up high. F is for flamingo, standing nearby. G is for goose, waddling in line. H is for hawk, with eyes that shine. I is for ibis, with a long red beak. J is for jay, with a loud little squeak. K is for kingfisher, diving so fast. L is for lark, singing as it passed. M is for magpie, black and white. N is for nightingale, singing at night. O is for owl, hooting with grace. P is for parrot, with a colorful face. Q is for crow, so clever and bright. D is for dove, peaceful in flight. S is for swan, swimming so proud. T is for toucan, with a beak so loud. U is for umbrella bird, with feathers so neat. V is for vulture, circling in the heat. W is for woodpecker, knocking on trees. X is for xanthus, humming with ease. Y is for yellowhammer, bright as the sun. Z is for zebra finch, small but fun. Kids, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.